Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna share to you a tutorial on how to cut a video in Capcut. So, I've already opened the Capcut apps and also add a video that I want to edit. So as you can see here, the previous duration of the video is 56 seconds long, and then I'm going to cut it into 30 seconds. So what you need to do is go to the end of the video, click on this, and then you can just drag this end of the video, drag it until it fits into 30 seconds, for example, like so. Okay, you can just drag this as you like. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, it's so easy. And if you want to cut the beginning or the start of the video, you can also do the same. Just drag this into the your desired duration, like this. Okay, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can cut a video in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment if you have any question, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all on next video. Bye bye.